up, guys? We are at another car meet down here at Detail Garage. Such a clean Jeep. It's not a secret anymore. 707 Hawk, but it's still clean. This is pretty sick. I love the red and white accents. I love the graphics on that. Dude, breaking necks. That fitment is dope, dude. Woo! This is way different. Got the Hemi truck on some sticky tires, boy. Right next to this beautiful Beamer. Talk about the Beamer gang. Fitment is perfect with the Volk racing wheels. I really love BMW's stock wheels. I think they're stock, but dude, super dope. Is that a Supra? I don't know if this is stock, but the Hellcat is peeking in a little bit more air. Dang, brother. I saw this Z01 haul at one of the Houston Whips meets. I believe it's this, yeah, because the graphics on the side. Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is so loud. I love it. I want it. Yes, sir. Got a beautifully spec'd out C8 Corvette with a beautiful wing and the back. This is the way to order one. Very girthy. That's why you get a wing. Right next to, casually, a Supra. Target top Supra. Right-hand drive, RX-7. Dude, I'm literally in heaven right now. Okay, I finally realized it's the JDM Nation right here. Got the Evo, the Nissan stance. Very meaty tires. Oh my goodness, dude. And my personal favorite, peeking on the other side of this WRX, we have an S2000. I think this is an E30 chassis. This dude is vibing with this thing. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Boy, I just got here. I'm glad I walked past it. I'm glad I caught a picture of it. There's my hopes and dreams going right now. I hope he full sends because I don't really run for things. God, I love the sound of those things. I think it's safe to say one of my favorite vets is leaving. I just can't get over it. Very tastefully modded. That's a nice sounding 5.0. Oh my God, how did I miss this? Just randomly got meaty tires and parachute. Dude, this thing's so sick. Yes! He's not even a part of the meet. Stance Nation going off into the sunset. It doesn't get much better than that, boys. Oh, did not expect that. Just so y'all know, I'm trying to figure this out. Most of the people are exiting that way and some are exiting this way. So I'm really not sure. I'm trying to kind of stay in the middle to try and capture as many people. Just like that. Like he exited somewhere else. Just waiting on them exits. All right, this dude surprises everyone every single time. Yes, sir. Got that super light. Oh, that's so... Dude, I love it. He's got the shopping cart. He's gonna go pick up some groceries. Oh, bro, wrong side. Who's going for it? Random Roush truck? Please tell me you have the pop and bang tune. He's ready to party. He's got the GoPro on and everything. We got the Beamer right next to him. There's the cop. Subi power. That sun is so incredibly harsh. I hope you guys can see this. I think this is the most favorite part of standing on the side of the road is because you capture random cars that just full send for the camera. Oh, look at that clean drop, dude. Sheesh. I wouldn't be doing my job if I don't go and check it out. Bro, this is mad. I mean, look at this. You can see every detail. You can see me in the car. I bet he's getting front row parking. That's for sure. Just when you thought it didn't get better, he's on bags as well. Oh my gosh. But check out these brake calipers, dude. They're massive. Yeah, he's got a front mount intercooler. That thing's boosted, right? Yeah. Dude, total sleeper. I heard it and I was like, oh wait, that sounds turboed.
Mix 420 to the wheels.
Dude, are you serious? In an unexpected sequence in the video, we're going for a ride in this 420 some horsepower car. Oh my gosh! I need one of these. That's what, yeah.
This boost right there, you'll see it build up.
Like a pocket rocket, man. So anyone that is wanting to build a car on a budget, I would say this is the way to go. How many people do you hurt? Like how many feelings?
A lot.
Yeah.
I made this to be a V8 killer, you know? Cat Packs, Camaro SS, Mustang GT, all those.
I would be so pissed.
Yeah.
But yeah. I mean, it's all fun and games at the end of the day. Dude, this is insane. I fell in love. Oh. So it's a pretty decent sized turbo,
yeah,
huh?
62mm turbo, CXracing kit. You know, came with the intercooler, everything.
For those of you that haven't seen, there's the intercooler right there. Got the K20 flexing. Sorry, but I missed some exits. Going on. Oh, he almost lost it. Look at all that smoke. He's getting a souvenir. What in the world? I would have never expected that. This night's just full of surprises. He almost hit that truck. Woo! Mischief. Oh, my ears. Squirrely. Always have a special place in my heart for the S2000. Dude, that thing sounds good. Wait a second, did I hear a whistle on that? I've never seen a BMW wagon in this year. That's pretty cool. Last time I've been told that this Mustang is the lady driven. Love the tail lights. What an awesome touch. Oh, he's getting down. He actually did a burnout! Oh no! There's a guy! Oh no! Alright y'all, that does it for today's video. We closed down the lot. There's cops here now, so it is effectively over. Anyway, smash that like button. Don't forget to sub. We'll catch you at the next meet. Peace.